With technology, the world is evolving, and having a digital skill in this age and time puts you on the top. This is why LearnCity is giving you an opportunity to explore and grow in this digital age. Are you interested in film or video production? Have you ever been fascinated and wondered how you could add and manage materials such as camera footage, dialogue, sound effects, graphics, and special effects to produce a final film or video product? Here's an opportunity you will not like to miss out on. With just 30,000 Naira, you can become a professional video editor in just 3 weeks. You will learn all you need to know about video editing, and thereafter, you will get an automatic employment with us. Join our intensive training session today and pave a new career path for yourself. To apply, call the number displayed on your screen.